Secret Nail Kit Care for Shiny Healthy Nails Vanilla. These products are great. The lotion is silky smooth and the cuticle oil absorbs nicely into the skin. I am glad I purchased these from Amazon instead of a kiosk in the mall. Upper Canada Soap and Candle Naturally Nourishing Hand. Naturally is nourishment for the body and soul based on the premise that what is good for you on the inside, is good for you on the outside too. Filled with botanical ingredients, essential oils, and mineral complexes purposely chosen for their known benefits to the skin, and formulated with no parabens, SLS, mineral oils, or synthetic dyes, this brand encompasses a healthy experience from formulation to packaging. Upper Canada is committed to combining time-tested traditions and ingredients with the latest in innovation and technology to bring customers nothing but the very best in bath and body care. Upper Canada is committed to excellence, ingenuity, and quality and to delighting the senses. No products or ingredients are ever tested on animals. Naturally European Lavender Luxury Body Lotion, 500. Naturally European Body Lotion is fast penetrating and deeply nourishing to give you a burst of fragrance and ease you into the day. Rich in shea butter and avocado oil, this lotion is ideal for slathering on after a shower or massaging into your skin before bed. Like wandering through purple fields in Provence, the classic lavender fragrance is fresh, light, and evocative. A popular ingredient in perfume and also ancient medicine due to its powerful healing properties. Mango Mandarin 4PCS Bath Gift Set Body Lotion, Bath. I highly recommend this gift set. I usually only buy brand names but tried this because of its great price. I was very impressed when it arrived. It was very compatible to a brand name lotion set. The smell is delicious and loved it for myself and baby too. Gold Bond Ultimate Restoring Lotion with Coke 10, 13 ounce. Gold Bond Ultimate Restoring Lotion with Coke 10, restores depleted dull skin vitamins A, C and E plus antioxidants and strengthening ceramides, naturally fresh scent. The daily therapeutic lotion that helps restore and strengthen depleted, dull skin. That's because 7 nourishing moisturizers are combines with skin nurturing vitamins A, C and E plus Coke 10. In addition, skin strengthening ceramides and lipids work to help restore elasticity, vitality, and healthy skin texture. It penetrates fast, is non-greasy and has a naturally fresh scent.